nobody got arrested.
No, no one got arrested.
People honored it.
Yeah, they did. Actually, I was out. That was on the overnight, so it was maybe a little bit easier. I think when I was out, I saw one livery cab, and we sent him home.
Yeah.
But now it's in the middle of the day, so people have to take heed and get off the road and get home.
Okay, so I hope, Shadi, that answers your question there. No wiggle room at all. They're going to start enforcing this ban here. But the last time we saw this was, I think, January 25th, January 26th of last year, and no one got arrested in that. We'll see what happens this time, right? Hey, you have your Eyewitness News Blizzard hat on, but put your political reporter hat on for a second. 2 years ago, the first storm faced by this de Blasio administration, he did not fare well, and I guess the mayor can't hear me right now, but you can hear me. He's listening in. But oftentimes, political careers are made or broken by snowstorms. There seems to be a confidence right now how this administration is handling this storm. It has been all week, and certainly yesterday and today. Do you share that